In the last video, we have started this question as justify why NAND and NOR are called as universal logic gates, and we have seen with the help of NAND gate only how we can implement all the basic gates. All the basic gates with the help of NAND we have already completed in the last video. In this video, we are going to see how the NOR can work as a OR, NOR can work as a and NOR can work as a OR gate, and why the NOR gate is called as a universal logic gate. We know that NOR gate as a NOT gate. How this NOR gate can work like a NOT gate. We know the truth table of a NOR gate is the complement of OR gate 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. What is the output of an OR gate? When any one of the input is high, output is high. So the complement of OR is NOR, means when all the inputs are low, output is high. When any one of the input is high, output is low. This is the truth table of NOR gate, and we have to work. The first of all, we have to perform the operation of NOR like a NOT. NOT जैसे वर्क करना चाहिए NOR ने. तो कैसे करेंगे? फर्स्ट we'll see the symbol when A and B are applied to the input of a NOR gate, that is OR with bubble. So it's A plus B whole complement. A plus B whole complement. Suppose when all the inputs of a NOR gate, here we are considering two inputs. For this two input NOR gate, when both the inputs are shorted and suppose 0 is passed through this circuit, so 0 0 is applied to the input, and we know for 0 0 output is high. Similarly, we can give as 1 as the input, so both the inputs are 1 1, and for 1 1 output is 0. In this way, a NOR gate can work like a NOT gate. NOR can work like a NOT. NOR is a NOT. कब वर्क करेगा? When all the inputs of NOR are shorted, NOR gate will work like a NOT gate. Next, we'll see how this NOR gate can work like a OR gate. Instead of NOT, we'll perform the operation of an OR gate. NOR OR जैसे कैसे perform करेगा? When A and B are applied to a NOR gate, output is A plus B complement, and we know that when all the inputs of a NOR gate are shorted, it works like a NOT gate, means A plus B complement is the input, output is its complement, and we know that complement of the complement is cancelled, that's why A plus B is the output. In this way, NOR gate can work like a OR gate. Okay, NOR as a OR. Simply we have applied the input to the NOR, whatever the output we are getting, we are applying to one more NOR whose all the inputs are shorted, so its complement, and according to De Morgan's theorem, complement of the complement is cancelled and we are getting A plus B. In this way, the NOR gate can work like a OR gate. And the last one, we will see how the NOR gate will work like a AND gate. How NOR, output of NOR will work like a AND gate. The third configuration is NOR as a AND. NOR gate as a AND gate. When A is applied to a NOR gate, whose all the inputs are shorted, the output we know that is A complement. When B is applied to a NOR gate whose all the inputs are shorted, the output is B complement. When both the outputs are applied to one more NOR gate, then the output is A complement plus B complement and the whole complement. And according to De Morgan's theorem, we know that A plus B whole complement is equals to A complement dot B complement, and A dot B whole complement is equals to A complement plus B complement. So with the help of this De Morgan's theorem, if you apply the De Morgan's theorem here, then this bar will cut and this sum is converted into product. So A double bar dot B double bar, and complement of the complement is cancelled, that is nothing but A dot B. This is the output of an AND gate. With the help of this configuration, this NOR can work like a AND gate. In this way, we are able to justify the NOR as a the NOR work like a universal gate, means all the basic gates can be implemented with the help of NAND only, all the basic gates can be implemented with the help of NOR only. That is why these two gates are called as universal logic gates. Thank you for watching the video.